Venice, baby! Get ready to be charmed. Venice, Italy, land of canals, bridges, and singing gondoliers. Okay, maybe not all of them sing. This city is straight out of a storybook, but hold on to your hats because it's also crowded, confusing, and wonderfully chaotic. But that's part of the charm. Think of it as an adventure and you'll be just fine. First things first, Venice is built on water, like entirely on water. So ditch the car rental idea and embrace your inner sailor, or at least your inner water taxi enthusiast. Gondolas, boats, and Venice Transportation 101. Welcome to the enchanting city of Venice, where the streets are made of water and the vehicles float. Navigating this unique city is an adventure in itself, and we're here to guide you through the essentials. Getting around Venice is an experience in itself. You've got options. From the iconic gondolas to the efficient vaporettos, and of course, your own 2 feet. Each mode of transport offers a different perspective of this magical city. The Vaporetto, water bus, is your trusty steed, zipping you along the Grand Canal and to various islands. It's the public transportation system of Venice, and it's both practical and scenic. Imagine cruising past centuries-old palaces and bustling markets, all from the comfort of a boat. Just grab a map, study the routes, trust me, it's worth it, and hop on board. The Vaporetto routes can take you to popular destinations like Murano, famous for its glassmaking, or Burano, known for its colorful houses and lace. Then there's walking. Venice is a walker's paradise. If you consider navigating a maze of narrow streets and bridges, paradise. The city is compact, and many of its most charming spots are only accessible on foot. Walking allows you to soak in the atmosphere, from the scent of fresh pastries wafting from bakeries to the sound of church bells echoing through the alleys. But hey, it's a great way to discover hidden gems and work off that pasta. Every corner turned reveals a new surprise, whether it's a quaint cafe, a hidden courtyard, or a stunning piece of street art. Plus, you'll get to experience the daily life of Venetians, away from the tourist crowds. Just watch out for those pesky dead ends that seem to pop up out of nowhere. It's all part of the adventure. And if you do get lost, don't worry. Venetians are friendly and often willing to help guide you back on track. So whether you're gliding on a vaporetto, strolling through the labyrinthine streets, or simply soaking in the views, Venice offers a transportation experience like no other. Enjoy the journey! St. Mark's Square, more than just pigeons, but yes, pigeons too. Let's be real, you can't go to Venice and not see St. Mark's Square. It's the heart of the city, a place where history, culture, and modern life converge in a spectacular fashion. It's like the Times Square of Italy, crowded, touristy, and full of pigeons who think they own the place. These birds have been here for centuries, and they add a unique charm to the square, even if they can be a bit overwhelming at times. But hey, it's iconic for a reason. The square is surrounded by some of the most stunning architecture you'll ever see. From the intricate details of the buildings to the open space that invites you to explore, there's something magical about this place. Marvel at the grandeur of St. Mark's Basilica with its shimmering mosaics and Byzantine architecture. This church is not just a place of worship, it's a masterpiece of art and history. Every corner tells a story, and the mosaics are like a visual symphony that captures the essence of Venice. Climb the Campanile bell tower for breathtaking views of the city. From up here, you can see the winding canals, the red-tiled roofs, and the distant horizon, where the sea meets the sky. It's a view that will stay with you long after you've left Venice. And yes, maybe buy some overpriced birdseed to make some feathered friends, or enemies, depending on your aim. Feeding the pigeons is a tradition that many tourists indulge in, and it's a fun way to interact with the local wildlife. Just be prepared for a flurry of wings and a lot of pecking. After you've had your fill of pigeons and panoramic views, take a moment to relax at one of the many cafes and restaurants that line the square. Enjoy a cup of Italian coffee or a delicious gelato while you people watch and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The square is also a hub for street performers and musicians, adding to the lively ambiance. From classical music to modern tunes, there's always something to entertain you as you wander around. As the day turns to night, St. Mark's Square transforms into a magical wonderland with twinkling lights and a serene atmosphere. It's the perfect time for a romantic stroll or to simply sit and reflect on the beauty of Venice. And don't forget, you're just a short walk away from the famous gondolas. A ride through the canals is a must-do experience, offering a different perspective of the city's charm and elegance. So whether you're here for the history, the architecture, the pigeons, or just to take that perfect Instagram photo, St. Mark's Square has something for everyone. It's a place where memories are made and where the spirit of Venice truly comes alive. Beyond the Basilica, Doge's palace, and secret itineraries, this iconic landmark is not just a feast for the eyes, but a journey through time, offering a deep dive into the rich history and culture of Venice. Right next door to St. Mark's Basilica is the Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and once the seat of Venetian power. The palace stands as a testament to the grandeur and opulence of the Venetian Republic, with its intricate designs and majestic facades that have withstood the test of time. Wander through opulent chambers, cross the Bridge of Sighs, more on that later, and imagine yourself as a powerful Doge. That's Venetian for ruler, not a cute dog, though wouldn't that be fun? Each room tells a story, from the grand halls where important decisions were made to the private quarters that offer a glimpse into the daily lives of the Doges. For a truly unique experience, book a tour of the secret itineraries within the Doge's Palace. This exclusive tour takes you behind the scenes, revealing the hidden passages and secret rooms that are not accessible to the general public. It's like stepping into a different world, one filled with mystery and intrigue. These hidden passages and rooms offer a glimpse into the inner workings of Venetian government, including the interrogation rooms and prison cells. Spooky. Imagine the countless secrets and stories that these walls could tell, from political conspiracies to tales of imprisonment and escape. The tour also sheds light on the darker side of Venetian history, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the city's past. As you explore further, don't miss the Grand Staircase, a marvel of Renaissance art and architecture. The palace is also home to an impressive collection of art, featuring works by some of the most renowned artists of the time. Each piece adds another layer to the rich tapestry of Venetian history, making your visit a truly immersive experience. Finally, take a moment to relax in the beautiful courtyard, a serene oasis amidst the grandeur. From here, you can also enjoy stunning views of the lagoon, a perfect way to end your visit. The Doge's Palace is more than just a historical monument. It's a journey through the heart and soul of Venice, offering a unique blend of beauty, history, and mystery that will leave you enchanted. A gondola ride? Is it touristy? Yes. Is it fun? Double yes. Okay, let's talk gondolas. Yes, they're expensive. Yes, they're a bit cheesy, but you know what? It's Venice. You've got to do it at least once. Glide down the canal, serenaded by your gondolier, or not, some just hum, and soak up the romantic atmosphere. Pro tip, go in the evening when the light is magical and the crowds are thinner. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, you can even hire a musician to accompany you. Just try not to fall asleep. Venetian bites, from Chicchetti to Gelato heaven, all that sightseeing can work up an appetite. Luckily, Venice is a foodie's paradise. Start with small snacks or tapas served in bars all over the city. Think delicious seafood, creamy cheeses, and crusty bread. For a truly Venetian meal, try risotto with cuttlefish ink, thick spaghetti with onion and anchovy sauce, or liver and onions. And of course, no trip to Venice is complete without gelato. Head to Gelateria, Alaska for unique flavors like basil and ginger. Escape the crowds in Dorso Duro, a charming neighborhood known for its art galleries, stunning views, and laid-back vibe. Visit the Peggy Guggenheim collection, home to modern masterpieces, or the Gallerie dell'Accademia, showcasing Venetian art through the ages. For the best views in Venice, climb to the top of the Campanile of San Giorgio Maggiore, a church located on a separate island just across from St. Mark's Square. And be sure to enjoy pre-dinner drinks and snacks at one of Dorso Duro's many waterfront bars. Venice isn't just one island, it's a whole archipelago. Take a ride to Murano, famous for its glass-blowing factories, and watch artisans create delicate works of art. Then hop over to Burano, a photographer's dream with its brightly colored houses. For a quieter escape, visit Torcello, one of the oldest settlements in the lagoon, or San Michele, known as the Island of the Dead for its historic cemetery. Just don't tell any ghost stories. Here's a secret. The best way to experience Venice is to ditch the map and just wander. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets, stumble upon hidden courtyards, and discover the city's true charm at your own pace. Don't be afraid to ask locals for directions. Even if you don't speak Italian, a little hand gesturing goes a long way. And who knows, You might just find your new favorite cafe, shop, or even a secret gondola repair shop. Venice is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. It's romantic, it's chaotic, it's beautiful, and it's completely unique. Just remember to pack your patience, your sense of adventure, and maybe an extra suitcase for all the souvenirs you're sure to buy. Ciao for now, Venice. We'll be back for more gelato soon.